James Warrick, Alexander, partner at Oliver Wyman, is joining me now to talk more about the survey. Good morning.
Thank you for having me, Trinity.
I want to talk more about this finding. Okay, so the survey finds that CEOs are looking to break down silos and build more unified companies. So what is your take on this, and what challenges do you foresee in that sort of implementation?
Yes, the reality is it's really hard to do. You're asking people to change their way of working and to evolve the culture of companies. And that's not for the faint of heart. So what we find is that from our research, there are three key things that CEOs need to focus their attention on. The first one is what's in it for me? Helping employees see that this will help to improve how they serve customers and how they can progress in their careers. Second point is to communicate. Show the shared success. And then the third one is to invest in developing the skills that people need to have in order to be able to perform the different roles that CEOs are expecting their teams to be able to do.
And the survey puts a spotlight on the geopolitical risks that we're seeing out there. So talk to me from your vantage point. What are you seeing on the ground that could impact supply chains?
So let me give you two stats from our report. Number one, 60% of companies are reducing exposure to higher risk regions. So you're already seeing a shift in supply chains. But at the same time, only 16% of these companies are reshoring operations domestically. And so what that's saying is that it's not that globalization is dead, but rather that supply chains are being rewired such that companies are looking to have their operations in countries that are more geopolitically aligned with their home office, whereas in the past it was more about driving efficient operating models.
What are other things that companies could be doing to get ahead of that geopolitical risk?
So what we're seeing is that, especially among larger companies that have global footprints, you've got 50% of companies right now who are investing in doing scenario planning and exercise to see what could happen and how can they react. The other thing I thought was quite interesting from our research, 25% of companies are actually hiring geopolitical experts on staff to be able to improve their ability to plan and to prepare for what the unknown could bring to them.
A lot of key takeaways right there. Thank you so much for joining us on the show today.
Thank you very much.